Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to add a melody on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. In order to do that, we're going to need to go into Settings. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to open up Sound and Haptics. Here we can change the ringtone. We can change the message, we can change the music to come in, calendar, alarm, and so on. We click on ringtone. Now here we select any song, any music we want. And we can check the box like this. We can also click on classic and we can select anything we want. And select. Once we've selected, we exit. And now this ringtone. This will be our default ringtone when someone calls us. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel, like it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all again. Bye, everybody.